So just recently, I made a community post about how reality shifting is actually way cheaper than professional therapy. It will heal all your problems in one quantum jump, but today, I'm actually going to break it down more in film. We'll go over time, gas, prices of the therapy, and quality service. There are many ways reality shifting can heal your personal problems. This includes anxiety, insecurity, reignite lost motivation, increase willpower and discipline. Obviously, besides doing the task itself, which is going to the alternate timeline where you're living your dream life, until that happens, you can connect with the people in the community who are facing the same things you are, and also have your comfort level accommodated, while simultaneously being spiritually content, given you have an objectively true afterlife to believe in. The community you do this in is all person specific. It's all person specific, whether it's my channel, someone else's, Reddit, etc. The only thing required of you is just just have Wi-Fi, mobile data, a service plan, and using some electricity, which I know all of you guys do have, which is how you're watching this. The cost of these things are so small, it won't make a difference. Basically, $0 DIY therapy. Now, time to break down professional therapy. I asked AI, and the average cost for a session without insurance is $100 to $200, and that could really add up easily if you think about it. Because obviously, the longer you go, the more it's going to cost. But even with insurance, which is $0 to $55, it can still add up pretty quick. And if you choose to pay a weekly subscription, I pity you, because those things are scams without saying they are scams. You literally pay the same amount of money weekly. And think, there's 4 weeks in a month, so that's $400. Take into account the time, energy, and gas. It is going to be really hard to calculate gas because this is very vehicle specific. My Chevrolet Malibu only costs around $20 to fill. Well, $21.24, $23.01, depending on the circumstances, but universally, round numbers are better to use for this scenario. But if you got a truck, oh man, you're cooked. Those can cost over $40 to $200 to fill. So worst case scenario, you'll be paying $700 just for that shit. Ouch. To keep things fair, we'll calculate the cheapest. Using that term lightly, cheapest, for this comparison. For the professional therapy, we'll go with a $200 comparison. 200 plus 20 would be 220 in total for all that. That doesn't look bad at all until it adds up, depending on how long of a session you have. Where the most expensive scenario with both a truck and even the cheapest therapy can vary from $240 to $400 or more. $0 shifting therapy versus $220 professional therapy. After doing the math, we see that professional therapy is 1000% more expensive, but is it 1000 times better? We'll see. With the $0 therapy, aka shifting, the quality of the service does not only positively impact you personally, but spirituality too. But spiritually, I mean. You have no shackles and can pretty much vent about anything you want with people who genuinely understand you. Not only that, they probably have better knowledge of what you're going through, as they are going through the same thing or have been in your situation before, so authenticity and quality wins with DIY. You guys already do this by talking to each other in the comments, where I, the owner of it, which makes me the DIY quote unquote therapist, I can vent anytime I want, 24/7, without worrying that I'm gonna run out of time, which is a big W, and it costs me no money. So it's basically a free healing of my throat chakra. I get as much cleansing from crashing out or just talking normally about my problems, if not more than the professional one would. You guys also gain the benefits from the stuff I mentioned earlier. Now, time for the $220 therapy, the quote unquote professional one. So, after all the gas, time, and added miles you put on your car, you're finally at the session. You're talking to your legit therapist, who on the surface is very nice, accommodating, compassionate, and is supposed to hear you out, and of course, find a solution on how to deal with your problems. Things seem to be going good, and you're getting good service. While I do applaud them for trying to understand your problems, at the end of the day, they'll lose points for authenticity since they don't know what you're going through in first person. By the time your session is over, you're going to have two crises. One personally, with whatever you're going through, and one financially. Now it's time to drive back home and waste even more time and gas. Yay! Let's just say, even if you did have a good therapist, remember, no matter how comforted you feel by them, at the end of the day, you are a transaction to them. Without the money, they wouldn't be there, and you'd just be any other person they walk past in public. Hell, they even do that when they are off the clock. There's no guarantee you'll get them next time, and even if you do, your wallet is going to be collateral. Was the service you got 1,000 times better? Fuck no. You were just a victim of legal robbery. $0 therapy with reality shifting, plus the multiple lifetime perks all day, every damn day.